What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Today's going to be a quick one. We're going to just take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at the DXY. Bitcoin is up right now, back into that triangle. So we're going to take a look and see, could we be heading towards 70,000 in this week? Let's take a look. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, so Bitcoin after yesterday probably scared people, and look at this, right back into this little triangle, right back into this triangle. Hopefully this is now an oscillation, right? And this is a fake out, right back in, and now it's going to try to attempt to touch up here again, 69,179. Remember, I told you guys yesterday, red days are buying opportunities, especially as we're getting closer and closer to the bull run part of this cycle. Okay, DXY dropping. We'd like to see that. Let's see. It has dropped a few days ago, and then it just came right back up. So maybe it's taking a breather, but hopefully this area proves to be area of strong resistance, and maybe it kind of hangs out here for a little while, like it has here, and then eventually starts kind of moving back down. That would be ideal to see. And everything else, DXY, Dow Jones dropping, DXY. I mean Nasdaq, and all right, nothing too bad, nothing too horrible. Everything is looking all right. Let's take a look at the 2-year bonds. I mean, the 2-year bond yields up. We don't like that. Up recently. We don't like that, but it's okay. Again, everything is looking good. Bitcoin is not. I'll restate. Everything is looking not horrible, and Bitcoin is honestly looking very strong. Looking strong right now after that fake out, after some manipulation, maybe some market makers doing what market makers do, liquidating leveraged positions. Now it's time to move up and maybe oscillate. Boom, 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 boom. Before eventually, I think soon-ish, we're going to be breaking out, or maybe sooner than I expect. We're going to be breaking out and up into the 70s. Okay, just a matter of time. ETFs have been performing really well, so there's continued interest, guys. Make sure those of you that are still positioning yourselves. Position yourself accordingly. I like altcoins. I like meme coins. I think meme coins are going to continue to outperform real world asset plays and gaming plays. Okay, I'd look at Miggles. Miggles has plans. This is to me for meme coin play. Very bullish on it. So to buy it at 0.017 cents right now, pretty good. Could we drop to 0.013? Yes, we could. But to buy it right now at these levels, great. If it drops more, great. Okay, see what Toshi's doing. Toshi, I think, has rebounded. Okay, Bitcoin, I said yesterday, if Bitcoin rebounds, then this was probably the bottom. Bitcoin probably going to rebound. We're probably going to come back and spend time right here. Hey, you heard it here first. KeyCat, strong, right? Had you bought these 2 wicks, you'd be happy right now. You'd be up in profit. KeyCat's going to do really well. Dog and Me might have a little bit more ways to go. We'll see where Dog and Me drops to. I don't think it comes all the way down here, but I mean, might have a little ways to go, and I think, fine, great place to buy. Able, trying to break out, but it's done that before. Okay, trying to break out of this triangle. I think eventually it will. We still have a little bit more time towards the end of October before this triangle completes, basically, right? Before that's pretty much where it ends, and then it has to decide some way, up or down. And I think up. Me. See, I've been mentioning you guys some of these plays today. I haven't really found anything. Okay, this is an interesting one. Xavier's simulation, 108 days. It came in with a lot of strength yesterday, and now it's kind of figured out. There's a lot of whales in this. It's called XVI. Interesting little concept about an AI life simulation exploring the journey from 18 to 72 years old, right? In 108 real-world days, tweets generated autonomously. The X account is both living and learning. This right now, he's a kid, he's young, but he's going to be, within the course of 108 days, he's going to be learning a lot of stuff. And I guess then he dies at the end. Pretty interesting experiment. That's to me interesting. And I don't know what happens after that, and what happens to the price list, but there's a lot of whales. I looked in PeerBot, there's a lot of whales. Interesting play right here. It could go down, it could go to nothing. I'm not saying that I'm extremely bullish on it, just something of interest that if you're looking to maybe look into it, or at least follow the story, not even get into the token itself. It's not bad. It's on Twitter. Okay, XVI. Xavier, I think that's the kid's name, and he's posting. He's an AI agent. He's autonomous, and he's posting stuff about his life. It's kind of cool. Kind of cool. We'll see how things go with that. What else? That's it for now. This one was just put on my radar. Okay. SPX. I don't know if you heard of that. 6900. It's a meme play, kind of like again not a spoof, but like a parody or something similar to the stock market, right? To that stock market, to that exchange. And MSTR is a MicroStrategy kind of spoof to it. It's moving back up. It just became a CTO. Interesting. It's on Ethereum though, so you'd have to buy it on a centralized exchange in order to avoid all those costly fees. But we'll see. Interesting that it's up right now, 22%, 1.3 million in volume, 14 million fully diluted. Let's see if it drops more. Maybe it could drop more. We'll see. All right, but nothing too that I'm like extremely bullish on. The ones that I'm extremely bullish on I already showed you. They're the base ones, and the other ones of these type of AI plays, I already showed you that I like ACT, Farcoin. Interesting, right? And ACT. Those haven't finished pumping yet, as far as I see it. So it's not coming up. ACT, and once they start consolidating, then I think that's when you'd probably want to jump in. Right now you're just watching, see what they're doing. Okay, it's not showing up. Try it again. No. There it is. Okay, it's a big wick today. That's okay. Let's see if it still continues to go up. These are days old, guys. These are days old. All right, we're gonna leave it there. Let's go back to Bitcoin really quick. See what's going on with BTC, baby. See, do we try to touch 69,000 today? That's a big move up from this drop. Big move up. Bitcoin is showing strength, guys. Again, get your buys in. Get your buys in. Things are looking good. The last part of this cycle is going to be amazing, life-changing. Okay, so act accordingly. Position yourself accordingly. Okay, we're gonna leave it there. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow the channel and all that stuff. It really does help. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace. Gotta get what you need.